Understanding how to use tools to solve problems is extremely important in your career and for the CPA exam. One tool that a newly licensed CPA is expected to know is Microsoft Excel. Task-based simulations are testing your higher order cognitive skills of evaluation and analysis. The CPA exam is going to include questions that are going to require that you demonstrate these skills. In the task-based simulations, there's going to be a tab that will give you access to Microsoft Excel. Now, to answer these types of questions efficiently, you need to know how to sort, filter, select, and organize data. That means in addition to the Excel basic functions, the CPA exam candidate needs to know how and when to use pivot tables, if statements, or other filtering commands, and conditional formatting. It's going to take time to master Microsoft Excel skills, but the time you devote to developing those skills is going to pay off because it's not only going to enhance your performance on the CPA exam. My friends, these skills will be used to aid your problem solving throughout your entire career.